Karnataka postpones practical exams for second PUC students. CBSE schools begin enrollment of Class 11 students on provisional basis. Kashmir University postpones offline exams for UG and PG till May 2nd. No students are being forced to leave campus amidst pandemic, says IIT Kanpur. University of Dundee to offer special scholarships to South Asian students. AIIMS postpones INI CET 2021 amidst surge in COVID-19 cases. IIT Madras launches mentorship initiative to tackle underrepresentation of women in research. Andhra Pradesh SSC and Inter Exams 2021 to be held as per schedule. Opposition demands cancellation. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Karnataka government on Sunday decided to postpone practical examinations for students of second year PUC that were scheduled to be held across the state from April 28th. However, theory examinations will be held as planned from June 21st to July 5th. Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar said that the decision to postpone practical exams was taken based on several requests made by stakeholders concerned with the process. The Department of Pre-University Education has decided to act on requests from parents, teachers and students to postpone practical exams in the wake of the ongoing COVID-19 situation in the state, he explained. However, the minister clarified the practical examinations will be conducted soon after the annual theory exams get over. He further advised students not to get distracted by the change in schedule and instead be prepared better for the upcoming annual examinations. Several CBSE schools in Ranchi have started their registration process for Class 11 admissions and are enrolling students on a provisional basis. Their admission will be finalized on the basis of the marks they obtain in their Class 10 exams. Earlier this month, CBSE cancelled the Class 10 board exams in the wake of the surge in COVID-19 cases. The Class 10 results will be prepared on the basis of an objective criterion to be developed by the board. Any candidate who is not satisfied with the marks allocated to him or her on this basis will be given the chance to take an exam as and when the conditions are conducive to hold exams. An official at the Delhi Public Schools said that their online registration system is receiving a good response. The registration process will end on June 9th, following which the students have to take an aptitude test and they will be enrolled on a provisional basis if they qualify that test. The final selection would be done on the basis of the cut-off marks fixed for each stream, the official added. The Kashmir University has decided to postpone the offline exams for all undergraduate and postgraduate courses until May 2nd. The main campus of the university will also remain shut till April 28th. In an official statement, the university said that the exams are being postponed due to the worsening coronavirus situation. The official statement released by the university read, "It is notified for the information of all concerned that all the university offline PG and UG examinations scheduled till May 2nd, 2021 are hereby postponed in view of the prevailing circumstances. The fresh dates of postponed examinations will be notified later on. The main campus shall continue to remain shut up to and including Wednesday, April 28, 2021. After the reports of IIT Kanpur forcing the students to leave hostels surfaced, the institute issued a statement denying the allegations. It claimed that the reports of students being forced to leave the campus in the middle of the pandemic are totally incorrect. The official statement read, "The fact of the matter is that no stone has been left unturned with regards to the safety and security of the students during the pandemic. In fact, 80% of the students are still functioning from their respective residences, and these include the students of the first, second and third year undergraduate courses and some students in the final year undergraduate courses and master's and doctoral courses as well." The University of Dundee is offering South Asia scholarships worth £5,000 per year for undergraduate and postgraduate students commencing September 2021 and January 2022. The scholarship is to support students from South Asia during these challenging times, which includes students from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. The scholarship announced by the university is for the bachelor degree program students and for postgraduate degree program students across a large number of subjects. There is no separate application form for this scholarship, and the student's eligibility will be assessed as part of the program application. The university will notify the candidates in writing if they have received a scholarship. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIIMS, has decided to postpone the Institute of National Importance of Combined Entrance Test, that is INICET, July 2021. The exam is for seeking admission to postgraduate courses. The exam was scheduled to be held on May 8th, but now it has been postponed until further notice. In view of the evolving situation related to COVID-19 outbreak, the competent authority of AIIMS has decided to postpone the conduct of following entrance examination scheduled in May 2021, INICET PG July, for July 2021 session. Read the official statement released by AIIMS. The new exam schedule will be released by AIIMS on their official website. The unbalanced number of women in research and science, technology, engineering and mathematics, that is STEM-related fields, is a problem that has been highlighted in the last few years. However, the problem continues to exist and grow. Family pressure, patriarchal society, and the lack of suitable opportunities are some of the major reasons that researchers cite for the deep-rooted problem. However, lack of proper guidance and role models is an underestimated factor that contributes hugely to the underrepresentation of women in research. Intending to drive change, the Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Madras, on Friday launched the STEM Women Scholars and Researchers Development Initiative, focused on mentoring women PhD research scholars at all levels. The Andhra Pradesh government on Friday said that the Class 10 or SSC and intermediate examinations would be held as per schedule, despite demand by the opposition parties to cancel or postpone them in view of COVID-19 spread. The degree and engineering examinations too would be conducted, the government said. At a high-level review meeting on the prevailing COVID situation, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy asked the authorities to hold the examinations by following all protocols. All the opposition parties have been demanding the government to either cancel or postpone the year-end examinations, particularly for SSC and intermediate, as the pandemic was again at its peak. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.